The Weisbrod Aircraft Museum, located in Pueblo, Colorado, is dedicated to preserving aviation history and honoring military service. Founded in the 1970s, the museum serves as a tribute to the rich legacy of flight, offering visitors a unique opportunity to explore historic aircraft, aviation artifacts, and military memorabilia. It provides an immersive experience that educates and inspires individuals of all ages. Located on the former Pueblo Army Air Force Base, there are ties to Hollywood royalty. In 1942, Hollywood legend Clark Gable put his acting career on hold and enlisted in the U.S. Army Air Forces following the death of his wife, Carol Lombard. He was sent to the newly established Pueblo Army Air Base in Colorado for combat training. At the base, Gable trained as a gunner and flew in B-17 Flying Fortress bombers, preparing for combat missions over Europe. His presence at Pueblo created a buzz among the troops and local community, but the star took his military role very seriously and wanted to be treated like any other soldier. He eventually went on to fly several combat missions with the 351st Bomb Group in England, even earning the Air Medal and the Distinguished Flying Cross. Gable's time in Pueblo marked a unique chapter in his life, a glamorous star becoming a true wartime airman. One of the museum's most impressive features is his extensive collection of aircraft, ranging from World War II era planes to modern military jets. Visitors can get up close to legendary aircraft such as the B-29 Superfortress named Peachy, which played a pivotal role in the Pacific Theater, and the iconic F-4 Phantom, a cornerstone of American air power during the Cold War and Vietnam War. Another notable aircraft includes the C-47 Skytrain, known for its critical role in troop transport, and the T-33 Shooting Star, one of the first jet-powered trainer aircraft. The museum also showcases helicopters, including the UH-1 Huey, a symbol of Vietnam War air mobility. These aircraft, meticulously restored and maintained, provide a tangible connection to the past, allowing visitors to appreciate the engineering and bravery that shaped aviation history. Beyond aircraft, the Weisbrod Aircraft Museum features an impressive array of aviation artifacts and exhibits that highlight different aspects of military and civilian flight. The museum houses an extensive collection of uniforms, medals, photographs, and aviation instruments, providing insight into the personal experiences of pilots and service members. One of the most compelling exhibits includes a collection of wartime letters and diaries, offering first-hand accounts of life in combat and the sacrifices made by military personnel. Educational programs and guided tours further enrich the visitor experience, making the museum a valuable resource for history enthusiasts, students, and veterans alike. The museum includes the Southern Colorado Space Museum, which has a space shuttle tire, scale models of the lunar module, Mercury space capsule, ULA booster rocket, and more. The museum also includes many military vehicles, like a Model 53 airborne scooter made by Cushman Motor Works, a 1952 Dodge M43 ambulance, and more. Outside, there are more planes and a wide variety of military vehicles, including the 1991 Delta II trailer that was used to haul the Delta II rocket sections from Pueblo to the launch site, a 1957 GMC M135 2.5-ton cargo truck, aircraft tractors, motorcycles, jeeps, and a lot more. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a unique experience, the Weisbrod Aircraft Museum is a must-visit destination when you're in the Pueblo area. It's not that far off of I-25. With its impressive aircraft collection, engaging exhibits, and strong commitment to education, the museum serves as a living testament to the advancements and sacrifices that have shaped aviation. A visit to Weisbrod is more than just a trip through history. It's an opportunity to honor the men and women who have contributed to the legacy of flight.